This is Mimi's car.
You bought Mimi's car?
She's a little rough around the edges, but she's solid.
Oh God, shooting flames.
We are here at Hermes Performance trying to get a video up for you guys. What's going on, Chad?
What's going on, Ecrew? Oh, that was hard.
That's the most energy I've seen out of you in a while. It is a busy day here today. I'm gonna go say what's up. Hello!
Hey.
Busy day today?
Yeah, busy day.
Right on. Hi! Hi! Hi, how are you? Hi, fluffy puppy. Oh my god! It's puppy day! Hi! Oh, I'm in puppy heaven right now. Hi! Hi! Oh, jump ball, ball, ball. Drop it, drop it. I'm not left-handed. Today the plan is to install the interior on Envy, and then you guys can also see kind of the final reveal of the interior. There's so much more to come, but I want to show you guys with everything assembled and you can see how it's going to look. You have not seen the cage yet, have you?
No, I'm distracted by dogs.
That's fine.
No, I haven't seen it.
Alright, start walking backwards. You want to see it too?
Are you gonna step on the dog?
Nope.
Are you guiding me at all?
Wait, nope, stop. Alright, turn around, take a look at it.
Damn, that's crazy.
You haven't seen this yet.
Dude, that's such a sick color.
Right?
That looks so good. Damn, son.
This is so loud, but so good at the same time.
Dude, that looks sick. I really love it.
The more I see the 918 Spider Green in the cage, the more I fall in love with it. And actually getting to see it now with the Lexus green, I guess full interior, just look at this. The color contrasts so well, and I was afraid it wouldn't work with the steering wheel, but I feel like with the steering wheel, it works even better now.
It looks super good.
It does look really good.
These plates look amazing too.
Let me show you guys the plate. And there is something to think about too, and that is with the glass in the front, with the windows up, with the glass in the rear, it's gonna look a little less vibrant until the doors are actually open. You gonna sit and pretend?
This is how Amelia drifts.
With a smile on my face.
You know that face.
I call it the dirt face. Man, you guys, this looks great. It's always a little nerve-wracking when you go with paint. You don't know how it's going to look until you see it. I'm happy with this. I want to get your guys' opinions in the comments below. Like, look at this. This looks great. It matches so well.
It's gonna sparkle in the sun too.
Oh yeah. Last you guys saw, there was paper all over on the inside. It kind of looked like everything was this green, but now you can actually see it. I'm low-key so glad that I went with this color instead of like an orange or a bronze or all the other colors we were humoring.
Dude, I expect you to go hot pink. Like, hands down. I had no question about it. It was gonna be a hot pink car.
Oh god. Yeah, low-key though. You guys know that like hype beast, like pastel pink? I totally thought about doing that for a minute too. I just couldn't live with myself.
You're so much of a hype beast.
Yeah, wearing my Adidas tubulars now to work on cars instead of those Nikes.
It seems like it blends better out in the sun.
A little bit, yeah, I'd agree with that. Like almost the shop light, it kind of dulls it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then when it's in the light, you just see it pop.
It looks like neon tubes in there instead of, you know. Like, yeah.
Shout out Alex Troy. Should have gone pool noodle on this bitch. Quick little wash on Envy. Now we're gonna do a quick little clay bar. If there is such a thing, we're gonna use an aggressive clay and just go lightly over the car. And then we'll be good to do the interior. Hey Brianna, good to see you. How are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Good.
It's been a minute.
It has been.
Yes.
I love the hoodie. You guys
yeah.
shopped at AmeliaHartford.com. Support the channel.
I want to see your car.
I was just gonna say that. Just cover your eyes.
I know.
Give me your hand so I don't make you
Okay.
fall. You have no idea what color it is. I intentionally didn't want to send it to you because I want to get an authentic reaction.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill her right now. 1 second.
You still walking backwards?
Yeah. Okay, right over here. Open your eyes.
Dude, no freaking way. This
Yeah.
looks amazing.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I love this.
Oh yeah, so it says Io Comete in the front, you know, what you're wearing on the hoodie.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, this looks awesome.
Of course I had to pick the most expensive color. This is a 918 spider color.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I thought my cage was ridiculous. Your cage is ridiculous.
You recognize the heel plates and the rear seat deletes and all that?
Yeah, it's from Street Faction, right?
Yeah.
Both of them? Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I wanted to get the heel plates for my Z, but I just never did it. I was just like, that's fine.
Well, if you choose to, we got a discount code, Ecrew. I'll double check on that. I'll link in the description below, you guys. The Street Faction stuff really tied this build together.
Yeah, I did. It looked amazing. Yeah, especially with that block off plate back there. It looks so
Yeah.
good. Are you gonna put this one on the other side?
The heel plate on this side?
Yeah. That's gonna look good.
It's really cool to see the color contrast. I was a little scared it wouldn't turn out, but I'm happy with how it came out.
I think it looks awesome. It's so good. Dude, I'm so stoked for you.
Thank you. And then we get seat time.
Yes, then we get seat time.
So Sean's in the back trying to help get a video uploaded for you guys. Brianna's gonna help me install the Street Faction interior, and I have learned, apparently she already knew, we're gonna take our shoes off before we crawl inside this time.
If you're not careful, then you start scratching up the paint, which is why you take your shoes off, and so you don't have to clean it and all that stuff.
Like, what's the point of even painting it?
I know, it just gets messed up so quick.
We all want it to look good, but
At least you don't have to put wheels in your car anymore to like drive it up there, because my
That's
cage
true.
got like totally wrecked because of all my wheels and stuff.
But you street drive your race
Yes.
car.
Yeah, I still street drive mine. Only because I don't have room for a truck and trailer. If I had room, I would do the responsible adult thing.
Maybe we should talk.
Yeah, we should.
We should talk. So we kind of got everything assembled. This looks like a really clean race car. However, there is one issue that we ran into with the back deck lid, and that's the rear plate kind of covers the coilovers. So if we were ever to do an install, you can't remove the back plate because of the cage without taking out the rear windshield. So I think we're gonna have to cut big holes on either side so that we can access the top hat of the coilover in case we ever need to change them, adjust damping, or whatever the case is. I'm glad you caught that. That would have sucked a little bit.
Because who would it have sucked for?
You. 5 inches.
5 inches.
We are test mounting the door cards now to see clearance. Look at this all come together.
Including me.
You come with the car?
I do come with the car, only for Amelia.
As my drift instructor.
You're funny.
So with the seats here, yeah, this is coming together nice.
Yeah, it looks great, except for we're gonna get rid of the shifter.
Oh, babe, look how disgusting that thing looks.
Dude, you've had this on the car since it wasn't even running.
Yeah.
Like, it's been years. Like, you just need a new shifter.
Oh, you can look at that and tell it's been on there for years. So I didn't vlog it, but the last time I was here, Lewis showed me the world's best, swear to God, the best fish taco I've ever had in my entire life. So now I'm gonna get everyone fish tacos.
Thank you, Lewis.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
So we really owe this one to you. The real MVP here. So we're gonna go get some tacos. And I'll let you guys know the name of the place. So if you are ever in the Azusa area, you have to try this. This is not an ad. I'm paying full price for these tacos. No!
Close.
They're closed.
Dude, you have me so hyped.
I
was so stoked. Look
I
at
was
open.
stoked.
Oh no.
I'm still convinced that maybe they forgot to turn the sign on. Oh.
Now what?
I don't know.
What are we supposed to eat?
Since the taco place was closed, we came to the next best thing. Chick-fil-A! What would you like?
I want, well, we need 2 number ones.
Make that 3 number ones.
Can one of them have extra pickles on it?
Yes.
Thank you.
So I guess 4 number ones, 1 with
Extra pickles.
extra pickles.
Cookies and cream shakes.
Small cookies and cream shake?
Do the shake.
I can't go that hard.
You can do it.
What other drinks now? There's a drink menu.
Or shake.
Shake.
Look at all the
You can get like a bottled water if you'd like.
Do the frosted one. I think so.
Can I do an Arnold Palmer?
Okay, perfect. And then I have 2 mayo so far. Any other sauces for you today?
Just f me up with sauces today.
Okay, gotcha. I can move just a little bit more.
My goodness.
Ish.
You guys have an app with us.
No.
Okay, you should get it. It's 10 points for every $1, and you use those points on the food, and it adds up really quickly.
Alright, I'll
if you-
download it right now.
Yes, download it right now, and then I would just say you would like to scan it at the window.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure. Have a great day.
Later. Bro, game changer for this app.
Yeah, super game changer. I'm downloading it too.
Go. Oh. There's that shake. Just like huck them in the car.
Throw everything in the car.
Let's go.
All the food.
Where are my tacos? You promised me the world's greatest fish tacos.
I know, but they were closed today.
That shake better be for me.
Everyone got waffle fries. Like, I got you a Sprite.
Sauce with the mixing.
No.
Dude.
I stuff. On the other hand, this looks great.
Yeah, it looks
This looks really good. This is like perfect.
right.
I love it. I also low-key like that you can see the coilover and also the base of the roll cage.
No, I think it looks way better.
All right, Justin, we're about to do a food vlog. You know you're in a shop when you're eating in seats. She gave us a lot of sauces. Fries, looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Your shake was really good. And here's mine. Added some lettuce. Oh, that looks good. Hey, don't eat my fries. I'm reading the comments in the last video and someone commented that the shaker thing for the paint to put a beer in there. So we only have glass Modelo. We asked the neighbors if they have a beer and she's like, oh, you want a sacrificial beer? Well, let me see if we have some Miller Lite. So we can put a beer in there and see what happens?
Yeah, I guess.
Lewis off camera? No.
Yeah.
On camera? Yeah.
I guess so.
But the rule is you have to drink the beer afterwards.
I'll crack it open. We'll see how much is still in the can afterwards.
You gotta crack it and drink it.
Precious cargo here. I couldn't find a sacrificial one.
Thank you. Coors Light. Are you camera shy? Oh. No. No. I did not sign off on
She's not
that.
going to be mean, trust me.
No, she's not mean.
No, she's like, I'm gonna slowly come over here and come over there.
Like, what?
Lucy, is it a squirrel?
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 Is it a
Squirrel?
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 Where is it? Where? Where's the squirrel?
Where is it? Go get it. Shall we?
Alright, let's see. Here we go. Let's see.
I love the subscribers so much.
See what it does. I don't think it's gonna.
I don't think
it's gonna blow?
I don't think
Do you think it'll blow?
I hope it blows.
I think the people wearing white should back up. I think.
Don't worry, we got new merch coming.
I don't want to clean anything, so.
That might blow. I would step back.
It's not gonna blow, is it?
Wait, why are you stopping? Keep going.
That might blow. No, I'm not gonna.
No, come on.
Are you kidding? I gotta work here.
Do you really think it'll blow?
It
He's
feels-
scared. He thinks it's gonna blow up.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I gotta clean that. Are you kidding? I'm gonna be standing here.
Wait, why is he doing it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey, you're doing great. It wasn't on there for that long. Aww. I'll still drink it.
Alright.
Now you have to drink it.
There, it's
Cheers.
not a sacrificial beer after all.
Alright, we're gonna get back to it. All the Street Faction stuff has been assembled. The rear seat deletes look incredible. The door cards look so good. I love how this is cut. You can still see the coilovers. We are finished with that. I would love to eventually get halo seats for Envy. I'm gonna put these back in the car for now. I also need to get some proper harnesses and a proper helmet. In the meantime, we're gonna put these seats in, but I am working on getting all new safety equipment for this car. I was like, what was that sound?
If you don't wear a helmet, you end up like me.
Wear a helmet, you guys. So before we install the seats, Sean is finishing up the last door card. You guys, I find myself just staring at her. And I catch myself, I'm like, oh shit, it's staring for too long. It's like one of those awkward things, like you look at someone across the bar, you realize you've been staring at them the whole time, and they don't even see you. It's like their arm, they're like off in a daze. Oh my god, I can't get over this though. I wish camera would do it justice. We'll have to do a meet and greet or something, or I'm gonna be taking this to more shows this year, really putting it out there. This, the S13, the Subaru, all that. I'm excited for you guys to start seeing these in person.
It's like so perfect, like the color, like it's like literally not even a shade off from here to the door.
Yeah.
And then I was looking at the outside of the car and I was just like looking, I was like,
I didn't realize you were
that's-
actually looking at the car. I thought you were zoning out.
No, I was actually looking at the car. I was like,
It's funny
dang,
as I'm saying that because I keep looking at it too. Even this angle too. My god. I'm so happy.
yeah, look at that. Like you literally, like you look like right where the sun is hitting both of them and you can see it's literally the exact same color from here to here.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You know what color I think this really subconsciously reminds me of? It reminds me of the Verde Ithaca that I had on my G35, my first car.
Oh yeah, that's a really good point.
Maybe I just love green. I keep thinking my favorite color is like black or blue, but maybe I'm really a green person.
It's like if the Hulk and the Grinch got into a fight and then like had a Mountain Dew party to like make up for it.
Now we're going to vacuum the seats and get those installed.
Alright, guide me, I can't see anything. Should go the other way.
Or are you just talking shit that you've done this so many times?
Oh, that sunroof makes it way easy.
There we go.
See, now if this was me helping you, we would have been done by now. Just kidding. Sorry, Sean.
Right.
The seat.
That's tight.
Got it.
Looks like someone got scared and threw herself in my seat.
That was me.
You guys ready to see the car all put together? Oh, now we're popping hoods out here. Well, here's the interior. All the street faction stuff has been assembled. The cage has been painted. Hermes Performance did an absolutely incredible job with everything. Seats are in. Ignore the disgusting wiring. Lewis is actually going to run it really nice and clean. The dash is loosely in. You guys can get a feel for how everything is going to look, but my God, this is probably one of the cleanest race cars I've ever seen.
I don't know. Mine's pretty clean.
Yours is pretty clean.
No, I'm kidding. Yours is really, really clean though.
I really like how that back plate came out.
Low-key, I love how I've said it so many times on the vlog. I feel self-conscious to keep commenting on how I love how this has been cut out.
I don't know, dude. I like that you kept the interior of your car the same color as the exterior because when you look at it from the front, it looks seamless. First, when you told me, I was like, really?
It's weird because like nobody really does that and I don't know why.
No, I don't know why either.
Yeah,
That's what I
said
should have
no.
done.
Yeah, you said no.
"That's
You're like,
weird."
no way.
Yeah.
It just fits.
Yeah.
It like ties it all together.
Yeah.
Now let me show you guys from the front. Look at this. Just look at the back seats, look seamless. Look how pretty it pops. The dash is in, the seats are in. Taking my breath away. Obviously, I'm not driving the car out today. There are a couple things left that need to be done, such as the sunroof. I really want to like put glass here. I didn't want to just fill it. It was the special model to have the sunroof, so it took me a while to just be okay with, okay, we're just gonna fill it. We're just gonna make it a solid roof. The other thing is painting the calipers. I want the calipers to be the same 918 spider green as the cage in the calipers. We'll probably end up switching up the wheels. We got a lot of cool, exciting things coming, but
You gonna drive it ever?
oh yeah, I plan on driving this, get like a week or 2 weeks. Depending how long fabricating this takes, I think this will be the difficult part because he has to start from scratch. Then I'll be driving it. But sunroof, filling that, and then the calipers. And then we are ready to get some seat time. We'll see. I might drop it off to delivery first, but now I'm digressing.
Are you worried about people tandeming with you and hitting your doors like me, for example?
Now that's what I got Lewis for.
She's going you to work.
Yeah, it's alright.
No, he was legitimately upset that I brought the car here and the front bumpers weren't smashed off the car.
I need a paint guy like that.
Yeah, right? Everyone
trying
needs a
hard
paint
enough.
guy like Lewis. This might be so hard to find. Thank you so much. We will be in touch. Dude, I can't even begin to explain how great of a job you did with this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I guess we'll talk soon.
Yeah, it'll be finished up 3-4 days.
Okay, cool. And then I left you with the glass for the sunroof, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, in that case, I hope you have a great evening and thanks again.
All right,
Cool.
I'll see you.
Later. Good to see you.
Good to see you. So good to see you.
Yeah.
Your car looks awesome.
Thank you.
So happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me know if you ever need help. I'm always down to come
Of
help
course,
you.
dude.
So, bye.
Bye.
It was good to hang out with you.
Yeah.
Next video, I will be unveiling the next build, the next drag build.
Ooh,
You know what it is,
I
though.
do know what
You
it is. I was trying to act
Yeah, I
excited
know.
for you. I'm excited. Well, I haven't seen it though.
No,
I
so
haven't
maybe
actually
you come
seen
and
it.
see it in person.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
we'll
will
do
not look
something
it up
soon.
on the internet, I promise.
He's like the kid in the ball pit at McDonald's. He's never gonna leave.
He's never leaving.
You done playing with your toys?
Where are your
my
parents?
toys?
Where
Where are your parents? All right, you guys, thank you so. Oh, my lens is dirty. That's better. All right, you guys, I want to thank you so much for. I don't trust you walking behind me. All right, take 3. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't subscribe, please do. And if there's one thing I can ask from you, if you enjoy the videos in any way, shape, or form, please just share with a family or with friends or anything. Sharing is caring. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Casey Neistat. Let's go do some drone shots.